By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain refraction of light, define refractive index as n equals to sin I over sin R, determine the refractive index of a glass or perspex block. Observe the pencil in a glass of water. Why does the pencil appear to be bent? Observe the beam of light traveling from air to a glass block. What can you say about the path of the light beam in air and in the glass? Light travels in a straight line in both mediums. What happens to the light beam as it travels from one medium to another? When light passes from one medium to another, it changes direction. The bending or change in the direction of light as it passes from one medium to another is known as refraction. When a ray of light travels along the normal to the boundary between two mediums, it does not bend. The angle of incidence, I, is the angle between the normal and the incident ray. The angle of refraction, R, is the angle between the normal and the refracted ray. Here, I is bigger than R. In other words, the ray is refracted towards the normal. When a ray of light travels from an optically less dense medium to an optically denser medium, it is refracted towards the normal. Here, I is smaller than R. In other words, the ray is refracted away from the normal. When a ray of light travels from an optically denser medium to an optically less dense medium, it is refracted away from the normal. From the ray diagrams shown, what can you deduce about the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal? The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. What can you say about the relationship between sin I and sin R? The value of sin I over sin R is a constant. This is known as Snell's law. The value of sin I over sin R is named as the refractive index of the medium, which in this case is glass. The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. The ratio of sin I over sin R is a constant for the two mediums involved. Calculate the refractive index of a diamond given that the angle of incidence, I, equals to 60 degrees. The angle of refraction, R, equals to 21 degrees. The refractive index of diamond equals to sin 60 degrees over sin 21 degrees equals to 2.42.